Hello everyone, Dajahao. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. My name is Kino and welcome to my channel. And today, we are gonna be camping in the mountains. And we are here now at Hehuanshan. We're going to Hehuanshan to camp here, to camp on in the mountains. Ba't ako nabubulol? And right now, we just arrived at this park. I'm with my friends. We're setting up, or we're preparing to go hiking on towards the campsite, and we brought a lot of stuff with us because our camping gears and all of that, and it's very heavy, super heavy. I have 4 liters of water in my camping bag. This is my camping bag. We are preparing. Hey guys, so now we are now set up and we're going up now. We will go the campsite. The campsite, I don't know where it is, but I'm just gonna follow these guys, my friends. So we'll see. And yeah, my bag is so heavy. Actually, all our bags are heavy. So my bag's capacity is about 50 kilograms, 50 liters. but I think the capacity exceeds. So I'll see you guys later. So guys, the hiking continues. We took a rest for a few minutes. Some of us are really tired. That includes me. Like what I mentioned earlier, this is the first time that I've hiked in the mountains that I'm carrying this heavy load. So it's really challenging for people who aren't doing this in a regular basis. I think you need to prepare when you go here and you wanted to hike this much. But this scenery is so beautiful. It's that beautiful life. Okay, so here's the trivia. I don't know if in my country it also applies this one, but my friends here were telling me before that if ever you're in the mountains and you're hiking with friends, never call out the name of your friends, because something might happen, like a bad thing might happen. So I just called one of my friends and I hope nothing happens bad. I think we're gonna be okay, and we're just tired right now. Guys, so from here we can almost see where are we gonna camp for tonight, which is on that river, yeah, that one, that area there. So we're gonna camp there tonight, and we will, of course, be very respectful to the nature, and as much as possible, if you're gonna be camping in the wild or in the mountains or any place whatsoever, you should always be responsible to never leave any trash behind, especially in mountain areas like this. Be very responsible. So we're almost there, And I'm so tired. We're all tired. It's very nice. See you later. Hey guys, so we're resting again because it's really tiring. I couldn't even think of what to say anymore because I'm too tired. We are all hungry and we're waiting for our friends. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Our friends at the back, way back. And
hello guys.
what can you say about our hiking? Is it difficult? 很难吗？
没事不要来。
Yeah, so
Why should we suffer?
oh, I think, but you would agree the place is very beautiful, right?
Yeah,
Feng-
absolutely.
Yeah.
Sure.
So I think we will do this again maybe,
Maybe,
but for a very very long time.
maybe choose easier.
Yeah, a bit easier. Like not this like difficult.
Maybe can. Maybe we'll back and
Lighter.
lighter.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. See you later guys. We're almost there. There's the river. Where's the river? Where's the river? Somewhere there. Just somewhere there. I'm too tired already to explain. See you later. We're passing by this. Oh my god, this is beautiful! Look. Oh gosh. This is so beautiful. Wait. This. Look. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh shucks. This is so crystal clear. So we have now settled here in this area, just in front of the river, and we're gonna spend our night here. It's really cool and it's not that hot. It's not even hot at least. So yeah. We're gonna do a tent raid. So starting off with Gary. Gary, show me your tent. What's inside your tent? Can I see? Can I see? How is it? So this is Gary's tent. This is what you call tent raid. So Gary has a mat, his things here, water I think, some utensils, and some trash. Sleeping bag and water. Yeah, these are essentials stuff. Okay, thanks Gary. Can I see? This is tent raid. I wanna see the inside of your tent.
Yes, please. Come in.
Okay, let's figure out. Wow, so big.
This is luxury.
Luxury. This is what? Luxury tent?
Luxury tent.
Oops. So this is how big their tent is. Wrong tent. Yeah. So he has his bed. What do you call it? On pillow, some stuff. Yeah, water. Yeah. Let's go to Ben's tent. Hey man, this is tent. This is tent raid. I wanna see what's inside of your tent. So, what do you have here?
My bag. My drinking bag.
Bag.
And you guys
bag, food. Some. Wow, Orsted. Wow, so proud, huh?
Just, I don't have water tank.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what else? Yeah, nothing.
Sunglasses and knee protection.
Yeah, so basically it's the same. Chi! I wanna see the inside of your tent. This is tent raid. So cheese tent is, yeah, welcome. So what we have here, your bag, sleeping bag, clothes. This is comfortable.
Yeah, it's comfortable.
Very comfortable, right?
Like yours.
Yeah, very comfortable. And of course, essentials, pillow. Wow, cheese complete.
Simple.
Simple one.
Simple.
Mine is very messy. Okay, thank you. So that's cheese. Now, let's go to my messy tent. I think I have a lot of supplies. So this is my tent. Oops, sorry for the dirt. This is my bed. Yeah. And what do we have here? What do we have here? So I have my food with me. This one. See? Oh, sorry. Food with me. Some things. My water. My utensils. This is for the cooking later. Probably if we're gonna cook. My jacket. My clothes here. And my boots there. And I am actually in front of the river when we go out. Just like that. Imagine waking up the following morning to this view. Right? It's gonna be nice. And of course, my lamp. Yeah, so that is our tent raid, and I need to sleep now. I'm very, very tired.